Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for honest product reviews straight from Amazon. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best digital cameras that deliver outstanding performance and value. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned photographer, there's something here for you. Let's get right into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Kodak Pixro AZ528 Astro Zoom BSCMOS Bridge Digital Camera 16MP 52x 1080p Wi-Fi, Midnight Blue. With a striking midnight blue finish and a powerful 52x optical zoom lens, the Kodak Pixro AZ528 stands out among bridge cameras. At 16 megapixels, it balances resolution and image clarity for everyday photography, while the backside illuminated CMOS sensor helps capture better low-light shots. This camera offers full HD 1080p video recording, making it handy for casual video creation. Built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing photos and videos easier, connecting quickly to smartphones or tablets. The large grip gives a steady hold, especially helpful when zooming all the way in on distant subjects. Shooting modes and scene selections are simple to navigate, catering to beginners who want more than a smartphone camera without the complexity of a DSLR. The 3-inch LCD screen helps frame shots comfortably, and the camera feels lightweight enough for travel. With optical image stabilization, it reduces blur from camera shake, especially important at longer focal lengths. While it doesn't have 4K video, the full HD resolution still delivers solid quality for social media sharing or personal projects. Battery life is reasonable for a day of casual shooting, though it's a good idea to keep a spare battery on hand for longer outings. Users who enjoy wildlife or sports photography will find the long zoom especially appealing. Manual controls are available for those who want to experiment with aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Overall, the Kodak Pixro AZ528 offers a flexible all-in-one design, suitable for family trips, outdoor adventures, or hobbyist photography. Its mix of long zoom, Wi-Fi, and easy controls makes it an accessible step up from smartphone cameras while keeping the experience friendly and uncomplicated. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix ZS50 Camera, 30x Leica DC Vario LMR Lens, 12.1 megapixels, High Sensitivity Sensor, Eye Viewfinder, DMC ZS50S, USA Silver. Compact and versatile, the Panasonic Lumix ZS50 features a 30x Leica DC Vario LMR lens, allowing close-ups of faraway subjects in a pocket-sized body. Its 12.1 megapixel high-sensitivity sensor works well for travel photography, especially in low-light conditions. The built-in eye viewfinder is a standout feature, providing clearer framing even in bright sunlight when LCD screens can be hard to see. The control ring on the lens barrel adds manual-style operation for settings like focus and aperture, giving more creative flexibility. Full HD video recording keeps it relevant for vlog clips and travel videos, though it doesn't have 4K support. Optical image stabilization helps reduce blur from hand movement, making it easier to get sharp photos when fully zoomed in. The compact size and lightweight build make it a travel companion that doesn't add bulk to your bag. The Lumix ZS50's intelligent auto modes handle scenes well, recognizing faces, landscapes, and nighttime shots. Manual settings are also available for photographers who want to experiment with long exposures or creative compositions. Built-in Wi-Fi supports quick sharing and remote control through a smartphone app. Battery life is generally enough for a day of sightseeing, and the camera's metal body in silver adds a premium feel. Its balance of powerful zoom and compact form makes it suitable for tourists, casual photographers, or anyone wanting an easy-to-carry camera without giving up zoom capability. Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 18 to 55 mm lens, built-in Wi-Fi, 24.1 MP CMOS sensor, Digic 4 Plus image processor and full HD videos. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is built for beginners stepping into DSLR photography, equipped with a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor that captures sharp, detailed images. Paired with the Digic 4 Plus image processor, it handles everyday photography smoothly, from portraits to landscapes. The included 18 to 55 mm lens offers versatile coverage for most subjects, with optical image stabilization to reduce blur. Built-in Wi-Fi makes it easier to transfer images to your smartphone, ready to share on social media or save in cloud storage. Full HD video at 30 frames per second gives clear footage for casual video projects or family events, although it doesn't include 4K. The large LCD screen on the back helps preview and review photos, while the optical viewfinder is useful for shooting in bright daylight. Controls on the Rebel T7 remain straightforward, appealing to those new to interchangeable lens cameras. Canon's guide mode and scene presets help beginners understand exposure and composition without feeling overwhelmed. Battery life typically covers several hundred shots, depending on usage. The plastic body keeps weight manageable, while still feeling solid in hand. Manual controls are accessible as users gain confidence, allowing creative choices in shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. Image quality benefits from the large APS-C sensor, outperforming most smartphones or compact cameras, especially in low light. The Rebel T7 supports a wide range of Canon EF and EFS lenses, offering room to grow as skills and interests expand. Overall, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 combines ease of use with solid photo quality, making it a reliable entry point for aspiring photographers wanting more creative control. Number 4. Sony ZV1F Vlog Camera for Content Creators and Vloggers Black. Designed specifically for video creators and vloggers, the Sony ZV1F offers compact size and features that simplify content production. Its fast wide-angle lens captures more of the scene, making handheld vlogs look natural and immersive. The built-in directional microphone focuses on your voice while reducing background noise, an important feature for clear audio without extra equipment. A large vari-angle LCD flips forward, helping frame shots when recording yourself. Though small, the ZV1F shoots in 4K resolution, delivering sharp, detailed video. The camera also supports slow-motion and time-lapse modes, adding creative options for storytelling. Background defocus helps quickly blur the background, making the subject stand out with a professional look. Face Priority AE keeps exposure balanced on faces, even with changing lighting, while Eye Autofocus keeps focus locked on the eyes for more engaging videos. USB charging means it can be powered on the go, useful during longer filming sessions. Product Showcase Mode instantly refocuses from face to objects held close to the lens, making it practical for unboxing or product review videos. Compact design keeps it pocket-friendly, perfect for creators shooting on location. For still photography, the 20.1 megapixel sensor captures high-quality images, though video is its strongest feature. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling quick transfer to smartphones or live streaming. Overall, the Sony ZV1F delivers a powerful set of tools for vloggers wanting professional-looking content and a camera that's easy to carry and operate. Number 5. Canon EOSR 100 Mirrorless Camera, RF Mount, 24.1 MP, Digicate Image Processor, Continuous Shooting, Eye Detection AF, Full HD Video, 4K, Small, Lightweight, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Content Creation. The Canon EOSR 100 brings mirrorless technology into a compact, lightweight body, offering a 24.1 megapixel sensor for high-resolution photography. Powered by the Digicate processor, it supports quick autofocus, continuous shooting, and 4K video recording. The RF mount makes it compatible with Canon's newer, high-performance lenses, broadening creative options. Eye detection autofocus tracks subjects reliably, useful for portraits and candid shots. For video, it offers 4K resolution in full HD modes, covering both detailed clips and smoother frame rates. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity simplify transferring photos and videos to a smartphone, making it easier to post on social media or backup files. The camera's size and weight make it easy to carry for travel, street photography, or daily content creation. The user interface remains approachable, with guided menus helping beginners understand settings. Manual modes allow more advanced users to control exposure, shutter speed, and aperture. Continuous shooting mode captures action sequences, making it practical for sports or wildlife. Battery life is generally sufficient for a day's casual use, though carrying an extra battery is wise for longer sessions. The build quality feels solid despite the small size, and the grip helps maintain control during handheld shooting. Image quality benefits from the APS-C sensor, especially in low light or with fast lenses. The camera also supports external microphones via a 3.5mm jack, improving audio quality for video creators. Overall, the Canon EOSR 100 combines portability, modern autofocus, and high-quality imaging, offering an attractive option for new photographers or content creators wanting a versatile mirrorless camera. Thanks for watching. If you found this roundup helpful, Check out the product links in the description to learn more or make a purchase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. See you in the next video.